So any message for the juniors?
If you want to get the exemptions, then study hard and practice everything.
So what's your message for the juniors?
Remember, studying is important, but enjoying the college life is also important. So,
अभी भी टाइम है, निकल जाओ.
IAQS on college has a lot to offer, so make the most of it. Have a great time.
Yeah, so one message would be don't get too consumed by studies. There is a lot that you have to offer, a lot you have to do in life. So make the most out of it and good luck.
सारे भाइयों बहनों को राम राम. मैं ये कहना चाहूँगा, जियो और जीने दो. भाईचारा ही ऐसा है जो सदा साथ रहेगा. तो भाईचारा on top system.
The memories you make in college are more important than the careers.
All the best for your college life and the years ahead.
yeah, hope they have a great year ahead, and all the best to them. Thank you.
Yes, all the very best. खाओ पियो ऐश करो, लेक्चर्स मत बैठो और बंक करो, वही मजा है.
So all the best. Go ahead with IAQS. जो होगा वो देखा जाएगा.
You only live once, so don't stress too much, but equally focus on IAQS and all the best.
पढ़ाई कर लो, एक बार कर लोगे हो जाएगा that I won't say, but कर लो, graduate हो जाओगे at least.
Hi, all the best and have fun throughout college.
Life's a cosmic joke. Nothing's real. Aliens are coming. Stay in school. Don't do drugs.
Message for the juniors: do what you feel like, whether it's actuaries, it's finance, it's studies. You want to do a business or startup. This is the right age to start with it. In your college days, just before your college starts, that's the right time. Start your own business. Do what you like. That time's never coming again.
For the juniors, all the best in whatever you do. Remember, it's never too late to start anything, to continue with anything, and never give up in whatever you do. Failures are going to come, but keep that consistency and never give up. That's it.
Guys, college is an entire phase of your life. Enjoy करो. बाकी cheers to IQS. And best thing about IQS? भाई मेरा तो रोज का कार्डियो हो जाता है 4 फ्लोर चढ़ के.
Keep your friends closer and the friends from Gurgaon more closer because you know what's cheap in Gurgaon.
And best thing about IQS?
Best thing about the friends I met from Gurgaon and other states.
I have two favorite faculty actually. One is Devashi sir and Akash sir. Both of them have been very supporting in the entire journey and are helping me towards escaping actual and doing more than that.
Best thing about IQS?
Supporting faculty and internships. One of the best things that I have done over here is internship, because of which I have got to know that I do want to do actuarial science.
That they accept submissions even after deadlines, and अगर उसके बाद भी नहीं किया तो ग्रुप में specifically names डाल के बताएंगे कि किन किन का बाकी है, so that we can submit. Please don't take actuarial, take quant. So my favorite faculty is Devashi sir and Kevin sir.
Why?
Because Kevin sir was like too friendly and too cooperative with us, and Devashi sir is no doubt the best teacher.
Definitely it has to be Kevin sir, Harshvardhan sir and Akash sir, because of the practical approach they always had towards the study curriculum and material. I would just like to say that at times semesters can be difficult, but just live through it and you will definitely clear all everything.
Best thing about IQS?
The best thing about IAQS is that I think this is the perfect amalgamation between quant finance and actual science, and you won't find something like this in the market. So
What do you miss about the college life?
the thing that I'll miss about college life is obviously colleagues and the beautiful curriculum that they gave us and the practical exposure it gave us. So that is something that I'll definitely miss.
मज़ा मारो थोड़ा, पढ़ाई वढ़ाई होता रहेगा. सुबह की कॉलेज थी, 10 बजे ख़त्म हो जाती थी, पूरा दिन मिलता था मज़ा मारने को.
19 नंबर ले आना एटलीस्ट. The faculties are very friendly and they are easy to approach, like after the college hours also.
And favorite thing about the faculty IQS? Except this? No. Let us ask favorite faculty.
So favorite faculty would be Kevin sir, Akash sir, because they are very friendly, and like we can text them anytime and they will revert for the doubts whatever.
So any messages for the juniors?
KT क्लियर करना देखो, बस ग्रेजुएट हो जाएगा फिर.
And best thing about IQS?
The placement and the faculty were like too friendly and they were very supportive. This was one of the like best thing about IQS.
Faculty you like?
Faculty I like Devashi sir, Kevin sir and Akash sir. They were like anytime I text them or anytime any doubts I had, they were very quick to answer, or anytime they were available for me.
Any messages for the juniors?
कॉपी करो जब भी चांस मिले.
And
best thing about IQS?
Supportive staff, admin team, they are very supportive.
And favorite faculty?
Akash sir, he counseled each and every student and helped them in discussing their future careers.
Any messages for the juniors?
अगर एक्चुअल छोड़ना है कॉन्टैक्ट मी हाँ
Perfect. Favorite things about IQS?
फ्रेंड्स दैट्स इट
And out of syllabus question, favorite faculty?
Favorite faculty Devashi sir.
So, who's your favorite faculty?
Reema Shah.
And why?
She's really sweet. That's all.
And favorite thing about IQS?
My friends.
So, any messages for the juniors?
Make every moment count. Yeah, and have fun.
Any messages for the juniors?
So basically just don't take things too seriously, make sure you have fun, but make sure you also concentrate on your studies and every step of the way, so that you balance your work and fun, and yeah, everything will be all right.
And favorite thing about IQS?
The faculty and the industry exposure.